Hello, I'm Ryan Chan, CEO and founder of UpKeep. Today, we'll explore the mounting trend of outsourcing in facilities management, its implications for internal teams, and the future of maintenance. We'll examine the effects of this shift, particularly in relation to the Internet of Things and predictive maintenance technologies. We'll also discuss how these changes could reshape the labor landscape, offering new opportunities for field service technicians. Now, let's dive into the world of facilities management. Did you know that over 50% of all facilities management is now outsourced? This trend has been steadily increasing in recent years, especially in regions like Europe, the Middle East, and North America. But what does this mean for technicians, facilities managers, internal teams, and the future of maintenance? There are two main things to consider. First, there's the question of whether outsourcing is the best decision for a specific company. This depends on how it works in concert with advanced Internet of Things and predictive maintenance technologies, and whether it serves as a differentiator. Second, it's interesting to consider how outsourcing may shift existing labor resources. Over the past several years, we've seen many examples where the Internet of Things can be successfully combined with predictive maintenance strategies. An article in Industry Today cited a survey that showed predictive maintenance improved 60% of participants' uptime by an average of 9% and reduced costs for 45% of the participants by an average of 12%. Nearly half of respondents were able to extend the life of aging equipment by an average of 20% as a result of fewer equipment breakdowns and as-needed maintenance. When this technology is combined with outsourcing provided by equipment manufacturers or their service providers, the results could be incredible. Equipment manufacturers, with their higher level of expertise and IoT technology, can remotely monitor and optimize thousands of pieces of the same equipment. This means they have access to near real-time equipment health, allowing for extremely targeted and effective predictive maintenance services. Companies that can take advantage of that kind of scale may want to seriously consider outsourcing as an excellent cost-cutting alternative. For example, commercial boilers that are used as part of a major heating, ventilating, and air conditioning system may be served well by the commercial boiler manufacturer. That service provider not only understands the boiler equipment intimately, but may be able to use sophisticated sensors to monitor real-time health of boilers throughout their customer base. As soon as a boiler performs outside of an acceptable range, that service provider can be immediately notified and send out a qualified technician to perform predictive maintenance before significant damage occurs. But before you jump on the outsourcing bandwagon, be careful. While outsourcing can be a good solution for some organizations, it can be a big mistake for businesses trying to use their facilities to differentiate. For some, maintenance and facilities management is part of their core business and serves as a powerful differentiator in an increasingly competitive marketplace. In these cases, outsourcing transforms a competitive advantage into simply a commodity. That's why companies should carefully consider whether maintenance and facilities management can be a differentiator before pursuing outsourcing alternatives. The shift in labor resources due to outsourcing is also worth noting. Internal maintenance teams are becoming more difficult to staff because they require generalists, which are too often jack of all trades, master of none. However, opportunities for field service technicians are growing. According to Zippia, the projected job growth for field service technicians is 4% from 2018 to 2028, and salaries have increased 16% for field service technicians in the last 5 years. Maintenance technicians who are experts on a specific complex asset will be in high demand. In conclusion, it's clear that the trend toward more outsourcing will continue as facilities seek ways to reduce costs. As an organization, it's important to weigh the benefits of outsourcing combined with sophisticated IoT and predictive maintenance technologies against the potential commoditization that outsourcing can cause. At the same time, it will be interesting to see how outsourcing will affect the existing labor pool, talent shortages, and upskilling initiatives moving into the future. Thank you for watching. We've explored the trend of outsourcing in facilities management, the implications for internal teams, and the future of maintenance, particularly in relation to the Internet of Things and predictive maintenance technologies. If you found this video informative, please subscribe to our channel for more insights. To learn more about our tools and resources for maintenance and reliability teams, visit upkeep.com.